टिळकनगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचालित लोकमान्य गुरुकुल. Lesson number 5, the 12 months. So in the last two parts we have seen how the stepmother and stepsister used to make trouble Marukala, and when they demanded her to bring the violets and strawberry violets from the forest, she bring those violets, and after bought those violets, what they demanded next, that we are going to see in this part. So let's start. The next day she called to her sister and said, "Go, Marukala, and get me some strawberries from the forest." The next day stepsister Helena asked Marukala to get some strawberries for her from the forest. "Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter?" said Marukala. So the Marukala replied to her sister that in this winter season, where I can get the strawberries, because the season of the strawberry is during the April to July. In the month of June, the ripe strawberries we get, sweet and ripe strawberries we get during the month of June. So it was impossible to get the strawberries in the month of January or in the season of winter. "How dare you agree? Go at once and get me the strawberries, or I will kill you." And then again she threatened Marukala. Helena again threatened the Marukala by saying that if you will argue with me and you will not bring the strawberries, I will kill you. The stepmother caught hold of Marukala and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. Again the mother caught her hand and threw her out of the house, and again she slammed the door on her face. Marukala went to the forest weeping bitterly. Again while crying she went to the forest. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. Because of the snowfall, no footprints of the human can be seen. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. Again she wandered, she searched for the strawberries, but she did not get it. And then she was very hungry, and also because of the snow, because of the cold, she was trembling, she was shivering. At last she saw the light she had seen the other day, and again she had seen the same light which she has seen the previous day. Overjoyed, she became happy. She went towards it, and then again she went towards that light. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting around it, and again she came to that fire where the 12 months were sitting around it, around that fire. "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at the fire." And again she asked them to warm her hands on that fire. Great January nodded, and again the Great January nodded. Great January allowed her to warm her hands and asked her, "Why have you come again?" And then again the month of January asked her, "Why you have come again to the forest, and what are you looking for? And now what you are looking for?" "I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me bring some strawberries." And then she told the Great January that my sister and my mother, they wanted me to bring the strawberries from the forest. Now over here, bade means what? Wish. They wish me to bring the strawberries from the forest, and if I don't, they will kill me, and if I will not bring the strawberries for them, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me, please, where I can find them." And then again she asked the months where she can find the strawberries. Great January arose. Arose means stand up. Then by hearing her, the Great January arose from his seat. He went over to the month sitting opposite to him, and he went to the month who was sitting opposite to him. It was June. And which month it was? It was the month of June. As I told you earlier, that strawberries, the ripe juicy strawberries, we get in the month of June. the right time for getting the strawberries is June. So that is why he went to the month of June and handed the club to him, and then he handed the stick to him. Club means stick, saying, "Brother, take the high seat." And then the month of January told the month of June that go and take the high seat. High seat means that seat, the main seat. June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. So June has took the high seat and then he swung. Swung means he moved the club over the fire. The fire shot up. That after moving the club, the stick around the fire, what happened? The fire shot up. Again the fire burned strongly and it heat melted the snow in a moment, and because of the heat the snow melted in a moment. The ground was all green, the trees were covered with the leaves, the birds began to sing, and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. It was summer, and in the month of June he swung the stick. Which month appeared? It was the month of summer. The summer season appeared. The ground under the bushes was covered with the white starlets. The starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute. They ripened at once, and before Marukala had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked as though a red carpet had been spread on the ground. Before she can think, when the month of June swung that stick, everything changes. The snow started melting, and everywhere the greenery has covered, the green leaves has covered all the ground, and soon she can able to see the strawberries. And how it was looking? It was looking like a red carpet on the ground, because everywhere the red strawberries were there on the ground. Pick them at once, Marukala commanded June, and then the month of June commanded her to pick them up. Marukala picked them joyfully till she had filled her apron full, and then the Marukala collected those, picked means collected those strawberries from that field joyfully, happily. Till when? Till her apron gets full. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home, and then again she ran towards the home by thanking all the months. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Marukala bringing the strawberries. Again, when they saw the stepmother and Helena, when they saw that she again brought the strawberries, they were become very curious. Her apron was full of them. And how? Her apron was full of strawberries. Where did you pick them? And then by seeing it, they both asked her, where did you pick them? Asked Helena sulkily. Again, Helena asked her sulkily means again with unpleasant manner. She asked her, where did you pick them? Where you got them? There are plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains. Again she told the same thing, that plenty of the strawberries were there on the high mountain. Helena took all the strawberries and ate them all up with her mother. Helena, she took all the strawberries from Marukala and then she started eating. She sat with her mother and then she started eating those strawberries. They did not leave even a single one for Marukala, and they did not leave a single strawberry for Marukala. So children, I hope you have understood the part 3 of this lesson. Now in further video we will see the part 4 of this lesson. Thank you.